it's already gone.
What's this?
Don't, please don't, stop.
Is this a jacket?
No, it's not.
Of your granddaughter?
No.
We've seen her walking around. This is hers, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Where is she?
Up your butt, around the corner, to out your boob. Okay, but really, I'm gonna really say that.
No. Where is she?
Up your butt.
Kathy, stop!
Okay.
Let me do it. Are you doing it?
No. Whip your hair back and forth.
I'm a little girl.
No.
Oh my God.
Funny. No. Okay. Keep going.
May, help me.
It states that I haven't seen my daughter, my granddaughter. Awesome. Bloopers. Okay, do that. I shouldn't say blooper. I cannot take you serious. I cannot take you serious without a look on your
Delete that.
This states my granddaughter, that I haven't seen her. Yes, that's very true. That's my name. I'm old. I'm sorry.
Stop it.
Okay, just.
No.
Romeo, what are you doing? Are you gonna be part of the stage? Yeah?
Romeo the cat. Da-na-na-na-na-na.
He's like, hey.
What's happening?
My face hurts.
So, I found this dirty mouse. She doesn't know I'm here yet, so I'm gonna sneak attack her like a ninja.
No animals were harmed in the making of this film.